Hello and thanks for joining us here at Tesco Specialty Vehicles. In this video, we'll be going over the use and function of your vehicle's Voltworks Power Inverter. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your vehicle's owner's manual. Tesco Bus and Tesco Specialty Vehicles are not liable for any damages or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. When using AC-powered equipment in your vehicle's body, such as refrigerators, you'll want to enable your inverter, as it converts the direct current from the battery into alternating current for use of equipment. Before we power on the inverter, turn on your battery cutoff switch. For the locations, models, and the operation of this switch, you can refer to our battery cutoff switch help video. Using the Voltworks Power Inverter is simple. Simply hold down the on and off button until the panel lights up. The power light will indicate that it's running, and it will display battery capacity through its 4 light bars. When battery voltage gets too low, the panel will display a single light bar and automatically cut power off. This protects the batteries in equipment from undervoltage until you are able to supply power from a new source. When you're ready to turn the inverter off, just hold down the on-off button again until all the lights on the panel turn off. Note that when using the inverter and the vehicle's power supply, that it's best to have the vehicle's engine running or a power source connected as to not drain the vehicle's battery. You can refer to our help videos on your generator or shore power for more information on how to use them. And that is how to use your vehicle's Voltworks Power Inverter. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your specialty vehicle and the equipment on board, give us a call at 855-376-9797 or visit the Help Center on our website, where you can submit a contact form. For all of your specialty vehicle and equipment needs, choose Tesco Specialty Vehicles. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.